Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will unbox my recently received swag from GitHub Education and GitHub Official. So, about a month ago, I participated in GitHub Education Back to School contest, and luckily, I am one of the winner for their Mona Octocat swag, which I received a few days back, and today I will unbox it. So I participated in this contest. I received when I completed it, I received an email which you can see on screen, and then I fill up my information and submitted the form. And then I received my parcel after a month, and today I'm unboxing it. So here is my information, my name, my uh, information on the box parcel. So let's unbox it quickly, and I will show you my swag inside the box from GitHub officials. So thank you GitHub, and we will see what's inside the box now. It's a premium quality box, just like a newly purchased mobile phone box. You can see right here. It's awesome. Thank you GitHub, made with love from GitHub. And here you can see GitHub logo and Mona figure, uh, Octocat. Its name is very amazing and made by official GitHub. And here is the sticker seal. So let's open it, uh, remove its seal, and then we will open the box and we'll see what's inside the box. Packaging is amazing. I love the packaging by GitHub, and it's the back side of this box. Here is written merge and some of uh, information about this cat figure. Uh, it's basically the logo of GitHub. And I don't know what are these. These are small little. Uh, I don't know what is this, and if you know, let me know in the comment section. And here is GitHub logo on this. Here is also a GitHub badge sticker. Oh wow, this is our cat. You can see its name is Mona Figure Octocat, and its colors are amazing, just amazing. You can see right here, blue and black, and it's a premium quality, very heavy, very beautiful and cute also. GitHub, GitHub Education. Thank you for this amazing swag. Here are some of its images. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I will definitely create more videos and share more opportunities with you like this. Thank you so much.